Okay, so this is my first video, and basically, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to be exploring the theory of why Spider-Man Miles Morales has blue lightning in the new Spider-Man game.
Go back!
So as you've seen in the previous clip, the lightning was orange in the original game. Okay, now we're going to roll up a clip of the new Spider-Man 2 game and see the Venom. Now the reason I believe for this Venom to be blue now is because in the previous game he absorbed the new form reactor, and as you see, the blue lightning actually goes through his hands before turning back to his orange colour.